Is it too late to start something new after 70? If you're wondering whether it's too late to start over after 70, you're not alone and you're not wrong for asking. I ask the same questions, but I found the answer in a place I never expected, and it literally changed my life. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, grandmother, and a woman who couldn't retire at 70. I had no roadmap. My job was gone, and my confidence, that disappeared years ago. But I made a decision to stop waiting and start learning. I followed a system that showed me how to work just 2 hours, maybe three a day from home with no tech overwhelm, and I make 100% of the profit. If you're in the same boat, here are three things that helped me. One, automate the work. Systems are smarter than hustle. Two, keep 100% profit. Stop splitting commissions. You earned it. And three, mentorship matters. I stopped doing this alone. That changed everything. This is not about hype. It's about finally having peace and profit. Comment ready, and I will show you the exact blueprint I follow daily. Before you talk yourself out of something you haven't even tried.